Hi, this is John with Front Construction Engineering, and in this video I'm going to talk to you what are some of the main things that I see and I recommend that clients do in the construction phase of their recertification process. So once you arrive to the construction phase, we are already assuming that you've had your inspection, you've had your engineering plans drawn up, you've submitted them to the city, and now you have an approved permit. So now that you have an approved permit, you're almost at the finish line. You're not quite there yet, but you're almost there. So some of the things that I tell my clients is make sure that you have the permit numbers closed before you come back to the engineer who did your recertification. Because a lot of times I'll get construction jobs, clients calling me, hey, I did all my work, my contractor is done, but then there's still an open permit. No, there can't be any open permits. The permit needs to be closed, paid off, in good standing, so then we can grab that permit number and then superimpose it on the final recertification inspection. Yes, there's a final recertification inspection. After you have done all your work, you call us back if we were your engineers, or you call your engineer back, and they'll do a follow-up inspection now that every deficiency has been repaired. They're gonna then get that, they're gonna look at the permit number, they're gonna look at the plans, they're gonna make sure that everything in the plans aligns with everything that they noted on the report, and that you have a final permit. That final permit is gonna then be put on the cover letter saying that all the repairs were done according to the Florida Building Code, or whatever the code may be, and basically that's gonna basically superimpose these permit numbers onto the cover letter. And then they're gonna do a walkthrough around the property, make sure that there's no items that were, undone or that you didn't take action on, just to basically make sure that there's no stones unturned. So once all that's done, then you get your reinspection report, your final report with your recertification letter, signed and sealed. That one gets resubmitted to the city, and then the city begins their process again, ultimately giving you a acceptance or a compliance on your building recertification. So remember, there's usually three steps. Phase 1, you get your inspection. Phase 2, you're in your engineering. Phase 3, you're in your construction. And then that final little phase, which I don't want to add another phase, but it's when you call us back, or you call your engineer back at that last portion of phase 3 to basically summarize everything was done with that permit number. It's been closed, it's been paid, and everything looks good. You submit your reports and you get your compliance. That's usually how it works. That's typically what we perform for our clients when we're doing this type of work. John with Front Construction Engineering. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, share, follow, give us a call. We're people, We have a customer service team of a team of 4, just ready to answer any questions, ready to help you with anything you need. Thank you. Bye-bye.